Hello first years, welcome back to maths class. I think you are following straight lines nicely. In previous classes, in straight lines we discussed about the coordinate axis, slopes. After that, different forms of straight line equations. You got 5 forms of straight line equations. So first one, intercept form, you got it. Next, slope intercept form, slope point form, 2 points form, and normal form. Totally 5 forms we got as straight line equation. Generally, straight line equation means ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But according to the given situation, we will have 5 forms of straight line equations. Today we will discuss one important 4 marks topic, that is, in that problem, in that question, they will give one straight line equation to you in general form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form they will give, and transform that into slope intercept form, normal form. We are transferring, we are reducing this general form into slope intercept form, normal form. This is most repeated 4 marks question, right? And that's why your topic is reduction of straight line in various form. This is straight line equation. We are reducing this straight line in various form, different forms. So 3 forms, mainly 3 forms: slope intercept form, normal form. Now I will explain how we will reduce this one into 3 forms. So you take first one. So what is the given line equation? So given line equation is, what is the given line equation? 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. We have to reduce this equation first in slope intercept form, then intercept form, then normal form. So come on, first we will do, observe carefully, be attentive, little bit lengthy problem, slope, and we have to follow the rules also. First thing is slope intercept form. This is first form. So already I explained to you, slope intercept form line equation will be y is equal to mx plus c. If any line is in this form, then we can say that is in slope intercept form. Why? This is your slope and this is intercept, y intercept. So we have to convert the given equation into this form. How, girls? Left side only y should be there and the right side x term and constant should be there. Then we can say that it is slope intercept form. So now you take the line equation. Line equation is, what is line equation? 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. I said this side, left side only y must be there. So you keep your y term this side and send the remaining terms to the other side, minus 3x minus 12. Only y should be there, not any other value. So both sides you divide with 4, so that left side we will have only y is equal to, come on, we can write this as separately, minus 3 by 4x minus 12 by 4, 4 1s are 4 3s are. So your equation is y is equal to minus 3 by 4x minus 3. See, exactly in your form, y is equal to mx plus c form. So is the required form. What is that form? Slope intercept form. What is your slope? Where slope m is equal to, slope place, in m place we are having minus 3 by 4 and y intercept is called c. In C place we are having minus 3. That's all. This is your first bit. So first is slope intercept form. Once again I am explaining. Observe carefully. This is your line equation. So we have to convert this line into slope intercept form. Slope intercept form means left side y should be there and right side x term and constant. So keep your y term as it is and send these two terms to the other side. Afterwards I said only y should be there, but 4y is there, so divide with the 4. You got into y is equal to this one, and now observe y is equal to mx plus c. M and c can be positive, negative, zeros also. So your slope is this, y intercept is this. Now come to the second form. What is the second form? Intercept form. Now we have to convert intercept form. We have to convert the given equation in intercept form. Already you know it very well. What is the intercept form of the straight line equation? This is called the intercept form of the straight line equation. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So come on, that means from the equation try to get right side 1. Okay, and here only x should be there, here only y should be there. Suppose your equation is in this form, then we can say that it is intercept form. So come on, first your line equation is 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. So try to get right side 1 means send your constant the other side. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 12. I said try to get this side 1, so dividing both sides with minus 12. Divide both sides with minus 12. What happens? You can write separately 3x by minus 12 plus 4y by minus 12 is equal to cancels 1. Okay, right side we got 1. So our aim is right side we have to get 1, and here upwards only x must be there, here upwards only y must be there. If you observe here 3x is there, 4y is there, so send 3 downwards, x by only x must be there, so minus 12 by 3. Similarly you will send your 4 downwards, so y by minus 12 by 4 is equal to 1. So this is 3 4s, this is 3s. So now you observe at the end your equation is x by, what is that, minus 4 plus y by minus 3 is equal to 1. 4 3s, right? So exactly in your intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x intercept is equal to, what is x intercept? A place is minus 4 and y intercept is equal to, what is y intercept? It is minus 3. So that's all. This is your second form. What is it? Intercept form. How we will find? So in this intercept form means line should be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It should be in this form. So first try to get 1 right side. How we will get 1 right side? This is your given line equation. So first send the constant the other side. If we send the constant other side, this becomes minus 12. I want this value to be equals to 1. So that's why I divide both sides with minus 12. Minus 12 by minus 12. Here we got 1. Our aim should be first right side, it must be equals to 1. After that, here if you observe the equation, any intercept form, here only x must be there. X by something plus y by something is equal to 1. So x by something, so x by minus 12 by 3 and y by minus 12 by 4. So it is 3 4s, therefore 3's are minus signs are there. So that is your intercept form. Finally, it is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So it is intercept form. X intercept is equal to minus 4, y intercept is equal to minus 3. So actually here 3 questions are asked: slope, intercept, intercept. So slope intercept over, now intercept over, come to normal form. So third form is, this is little bit lengthy and you should observe carefully. This is normal form. But you know all the forms already in previous class. I explained how will be normal form, how will be intercept form, how will be your slope intercept form. So what is our normal form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is your normal, this is your normal form. So how we will show the line in the diagram? This is the line whose distance from origin is p. So p is a distance from horizon to that line. So it should be positive. Remember, in your equation, right side value, finally right side value that should be positive. Why? It is a distance. So come on, line equation is, what is the given line equation to you? Is same line, that is 3x plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. We have to transform this into this form. See, in first question we transformed this into this form. At the end, if you observe, it is in that form only. Y is equal to mx plus c. We transformed, we converted this into this form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Next, in intercept form, this equation must be converted into intercept form. This form, it should be in this form. Now normal form, we have to convert this into this form. That means very simple, x term into something, y term into something is equal to some positive value, then it is called the normal form. So what is the procedure to get our normal form? Means first send the constant to other side. So it is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 12. In this normal form, particularly in this normal form, after this we have to divide both sides with root of coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square. That means is equal to root of coefficient of x is 3. So it is 3 square and coefficient of y is 4. 4 square is equal to 9 plus 16. So is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. So this equation must be divided both sides. In all normal equations we have to divide. In all normal equations we have to divide the equation with root of coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square. Coefficient of x is 3 whole square. Coefficient of y is 4 whole square. So come on, it will be 3x plus 4y minus 12. Both sides we have to divide with 5. So what happens? Now try to write separately 3 by 5x plus 4 by 5y is equal to minus 12 by 5. What I said, normal form, x into some constant plus y into some constant is equal to p, but that p should be positive. Why? It is a distance from origin to that line. That value must be positive. So if you observe x into some constant, y into some constant, but this value is negative. That's why multiply with a minus throughout the chapter, right, throughout the problem. Okay, so this is minus 3 by 5x minus 4 by 5y minus of minus 12 by 5. So this is your normal form, which is exactly in your form x into some value y into some value is equal to p. So x into some value y into some value is equal to p is the normal form. So compare x cos alpha. So cos alpha is equal to minus 3 by 5. Sin alpha is equal to minus 4 by 5 and p is equal to 12 by 5. That's all. This is our first question and very important question for 4 marks. So with practice it takes less time. First time it looks lengthy, but after getting all the concepts within 2-3 minutes you can solve this problem. So just they will give, once again I am explaining, listen carefully. They will give one straight line equation to you. Convert that straight line equation into 3 forms. One is slope intercept form. We have to convert this equation into this form. That means converting means we have to get it. At the end it should be in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. And intercept form, we have to convert that line into x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is called intercept form. And third one, normal form. Normal form is x into some value plus y into some value is equal to some constant, and it should be positive. Why it should be positive means that p is nothing but the distance from origin to that line. So just you take the procedure, but only one thing you have to remember in normal form, right? What is the procedure? First send the constant to other side. After that you divide both sides. Remember this, in normal form, whenever we do the normal form, we have to do like this. Divide both sides with root of coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square. With that we got 5. So we have to divide both sides, this side, this side. Then you write separately. Now it is in your form, okay, x something, y something, and we got some value, but it is negative. But according to our formula it should be positive. That's why multiply both sides with minus 1. Then your p will be positive. That is the normal form. So cos alpha value is this one, sin alpha value is this one, and p is 12 by 5. That is your first question. I will do one more problem. Why means this method is very repeated method, and you should get used to this method. So now we will solve one more problem of this method. That means we will take another line equation and we will find all the 3 forms. What are the 3 forms? First is slope intercept form, second one is intercept form, and third one is normal form. So now take your second question. What is the given line equation? So this is your given line. They will give general line equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form, and we have to convert that into these 3 forms. So come on, write down given. In any problem, first you have to write what is the information to you, given information to you. Given line equation is, it is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to convert first into, what is the form? Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Intercept form. So how it will be? Its equation will be y is equal to mx plus c. Left side only y must be there, right side x term and constant term. So come on, take line equation. Line equation is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So what I said, left side only y must be there. So keep your y this side and send the remaining terms to that side. Minus x. If we send this side, it is this. So we can write into that form. How? Y is equal to minus 1 into x plus 2. Now it is exactly in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, is slope intercept form. Isn't it, girls? It is exactly in your slope intercept form. So where slope is equal to, where slope is equal to, in slope form m place we are having minus 1 and y-intercept is, y-intercept means c, in c place we are having 2. So first one is very easy, girls. First slope intercept also little bit easy, normal, you should do it consciously, right? So come to second one. What is it? Intercept form. Intercept form. So it should be in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So try to get right side 1 in intercept form. While converting line equation, line is, what is line? X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. While converting line into intercept form, our first aim should be to get this 1. So how we will get that 1? First send the constant term to that side. So x plus y is equal to, sending constant minus 2, it becomes 2. This should be 1 right side. So divide both sides with 2. So here it 2 will get cancelled. So you will get your intercept form. So how you will get intercept form? What is the intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So come on, write it. X by 2 separately plus y by 2 is equal to 1. It is exactly in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So is intercept form. That is what we have to find, right? Intercept form, and x intercept is, what is x intercept? 2, and y intercept is, y intercept is also 2 here. This is called x intercept, this is called y intercept. So now come to the third one, normal form. What is your third one? It is normal form. So what will be the normal form equation? It is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, and p should be positive. So we have to convert x into some constant plus y into some constant is equal to positive value. So line equation is, we have to take same line equation and we are converting into different forms. So what is the procedure? First send the constant that side, x plus y is equal to 2. After that divide both sides. Same procedure, whenever it is normal form, you have to divide both sides with what? Root of coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square. You have to divide both sides with this value is equal to root of coefficient of x means we can write 1 into x. So its coefficient is 1 square. Similarly, y can be written as 1 into y. So 1 square is equal to, it is 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. So we have to divide this one, right, both sides with root 2. So x plus y is equal to 2 by root 2 by root 2. So write separately, we can write this as x by root 2 plus y by root 2 is equal to 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 so that we can cancel 1 root 2. Now try to write in that form exactly normal form. So some constant into x. So we can write this as x into 1 by root 2 plus y into 1 by root 2 is equal to root 2. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, and this value is positive now exactly in your form, right? Is in the form of which form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, right? Is the normal form. So we got slope intercept form, now normal form, where you write what are your cos alpha, x cos alpha, that is 1 by root 2, sin alpha, what is it? Y sin alpha 1 by root 2, and p is equal to root 2. Cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos of which angle is equal to 1 by root 2? Sin alpha is 1 by root 2. Sin of which value is equals to 1 by root 2? 45. So your alpha is 45 degrees here, right? So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So now this is your normal form. So what is the procedure? They will give one normal line equation to you. They will give one normal line equation which will be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form, where a, b, c can be positive, negative zeros also. So here first we have to convert that line into slope intercept form. That means at the end your equation should be in y is equal to mx plus c. Next, intercept form. That means at the end your equation should be in x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. See, at the end your equation will be x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1, exactly in this form. And normal form, at the end your equation should be, that means at the end means we have to convert the given line into which form? X into some constant plus y into some constant is equal to positive value. So observe, at the end you got x into some value, y into some value is equal to positive value. So, and we got cos alpha, sin alpha values 1 by root 2. We know that cos 45, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So, alpha angle made by the line is 45 degrees. So, normal form is a little bit lengthy, and you should be careful while you should be conscious while doing the problem. And this slope intercept and intercept form are very, very easy. So while converting intercept form, you keep first you try to get this one as your first point, keep in your mind. So first of all try to get one right side, right? So that means first send constant to that side and divide same number so that both will cancel and we will get 1. After that, here only x should be there. Suppose anything is there with x, send downwards. Here only y should be there. Anything is there with y, send downwards. So then you will get your form. Okay, and here slope intercept form, left side only y should be there, right side constant and x term. So first only keep your y term this side and send the remaining terms that side. So x term goes that side, constant term goes that side. So now it is exactly in this form. Okay, so very, very important question. Practice these problems, and I have given one homework question of same form. I have given one line equation. You have to convert this line to slope intercept form and normal form. Okay, so be active and be attentive in the class and enjoy maths. Slowly you will get used to all these things as well as my teaching also. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.